Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is all about animals with big ears. Some animals have big ears to help them hear better. Their big ears help them dissipate heat from their body and help them keep cool. Here are some examples of animals with big ears. Let's look at them one by one. Aye-aye. Aye-ayes are the world's largest nocturnal primates, spending their days curled up in an elaborate ball-like nest of leaves and branches. Desert fox. Fennec foxes are sometimes called desert foxes because they live in the desert zones of North Africa in the Sinai and Arabian Peninsula. They are nocturnal and avoid the daytime heat of the desert environment. Its most distinctive feature is its unusually large ears, which serve to dissipate heat and help keep the foxes cool. Hare. Hares are fast-running, long-eared mammals that resemble a large rabbit, having very long hind legs and typically found in grassland or open woodland. They are herbivores and live solitarily or in pairs. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. The distinctive features of all elephants include a trunk, tusks, large ear flaps, massive legs, and tough but sensitive skin. The large ear flaps assist in maintaining a constant body temperature as well as in communication. Caracal. The caracal is a medium-sized wild cat native to Africa, Asia, and arid areas of Pakistan and northwestern India. It is characterized by a robust build, long legs, a short face, long tufted ears, and long canine teeth. Let's read and spell. Aye-aye. A-Y-E. A-Y-E. Aye-aye. Desert fox. D-E-S-E-R-T-F-O-X. Desert fox. Hare. H-A-R-E. Hare. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Caracal. C-A-R-A-C-A L. Caracal. Now that you know some of the animals with big ears, it's your turn to identify each of them. Let's do this! Caracal. Elephant. Hare. Desert fox. Aye. Let's read the words. Caracal. Elephant. Hare. Aye. Desert fox. Match the animal to its correct name. You may pause the video if you need more time. Aye. Desert fox. Elephant. Hare. Caracal. Name the animal. Desert fox. Aye. Caracal. Elephant. hair. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you in our next episodes.